take this opportunity to just kind of share my poems with people who love poetry.
Very good. It's an honor.
So this poem, this is called The Motion of Being. I wrote this poem, I think, a month ago. Uh, it is based on the notion of Oscar Wilde, the thing he said that if a man knows exactly what he wants to be, he becomes it, and that is his punishment. Uh, but to live, he said that like we should live our life as a verb instead of a noun, and that line hit me, and I even wrote an article about it on my blog. And I thought that an article would not be enough for this, so I also wrote a poem. So this poem goes like this. Once, before words shaped the world, before men bound themselves in names and titles, there was only the vastness of the sky, the endless turning of the earth, the restless tide that neither asks permission nor seeks approval. The stars burned not as ornaments of the heavens, but as fire in motion, never still, never fixed, never waiting to be named. Yet man, with his hunger to hold, to define, builds walls around the wind, draws lines across the ocean, carves his name into the bark of trees as if to claim a place in eternity. He builds monuments to himself and calls them meaning. But meaning is not the stone that stands in the sun. It is the shadow that shifts as the day moves forward. To live is not to wear a title, nor to bear a name like a burden. It is, to, it is not to say, I am and remain. To live is to step beyond the frame of what was, to abandon the weight of yesterday, to move, to unfold, to unbecome and become again. The mountain is old, but it does not dream of its own age. The river is endless, but it does not mourn the water it has lost. Only man stands still and calls it peace, as if to be unchanging were the highest virtue. But is the tree less a tree because it sways in the wind? Is the flame less real because it dances instead of resting? To be still is to be stone. To be motionless is to be dead. But grows does not ask what it is, it only reaches. Yet the world teaches stillness. It tells you, take a name, take a place, take a shape and never shift. Be something, and once you are, do not stray from it. Do not leave the path, do not wander into the wilds of the unknown. For those who change are feared, and those who move are lost. But what is lost except which refuses to be found? What is wandering but the refusal to be caged? Let the birds laugh at the branches that stay rooted. Let the wind mock the stone of dreaming of permanence. Uh, for to live is not to be called something, but to do something. A man who walks does not need a road. The road is made by his footsteps. A flame that burns does not ask what it is. It is fire because it consumes. A river does not beg for meaning. It shapes the land by its passing. So ask yourself, are you the hand that writes or the ink that dries? Are you the fire that rises or the ashes that settle? Do you, do you carry your name or does your name carry you? The world will ask you to be a monument, but refuse. Be the tide, be the storm, be the morning that does not remember the night. Be the verb, not the noun. Be the doing, not the done. And when they ask what you are, smile and keep moving. That's it.